Alright, what's up, Amaya? And today I will tell you about an update on the Freya application which allows you to download latest Samsung firmware. First of all, we will see the requirements. As you can see, we need some .NET Core versions of Windows that will help us to run this application. Let's go ahead and open up Freya. So we need to download the .NET Core. First, let's just say yes to the prompt, and we will be given to this address where we will be able to download the .NET Core automatically. If you do not get this option, I will provide the links of .NET Core in the description so you can download it for yourself and able to run Freya. So this new Freya app is kind of hard to download. It makes it hard to download Samsung firmware, but also it has some upsides which allows you to download Samsung firmware without any hassle or issues. It also just relieves the server of some heavy loads, and it is now easier to download Samsung firmware and much better from the previous versions. So let's wait for it to download the .NET Core, and then we need to install it and we will run Freya. Okay, so the download is now completed. Let's show in folder and then install it. It is here in the download section. We need to install it. Double click on it. If you get any prompts, just say yes to those, and then these are some nothing to be afraid of. Just simply install it. Wait for the installation to complete. And now the installation is successful. Let's close it and open Free again. I will also show you how to download Freya, so don't worry about that. First, I'm showing you how to update the current version to the latest version. Simply open up Freya. This will show you that new update is available and update is required before you can use Freya anymore, which means it has some changes that will also requires IMEI to download the Samsung firmware, but I will show you another way of downloading the Freya without the IME numbers. That will be to connect the device, and I will automatically scan for the Samsung firmware and download it for you. So Freya is now updated, now as you can see. So let me show you how to download Freya. I will provide the download link in the description, but I will show you anyways. Simply search Freya GitHub and you will be given the first link, the GitHub link. Let's open it. Oh, there are some releases, so we need to, this link will be given in the description. This is the latest version that we need to download. The previous versions don't work anymore, so there's that. Okay, now let's download the latest version. Let's save it in the default download location. Now the Freya is now completely downloaded. Let's open it up. This is the same as the one I have downloaded. We need to simply extract the zip file, open up the folder. This is the previous one that I have currently installed, that I just updated from the previous versions. This is the latest that I just downloaded, and as you can see, this is the same version and the latest version. Now I'm going to show you how to use it. So in the manual mode, we get 3 slots instead of 2. We need the model number, the CSC code, and also an IMEI number. The IMEI number should match the CSC code and the model number, so you will be able to download them. But this is now hard because we cannot download it anymore without entering some, as you can see, we get given some errors without having the matching IMEI numbers. So auto mode is the perfect one, and it is now working very greatly. Simply just connect your Samsung device using the USB cable, and then it will detect. First, let me connect my phone. Okay, now I have connected my phone, as you can see here, but it is not showing up in Freya anymore. Now it just scanned it and now I can see it. If it doesn't show up, simply just close the application and open it up again. It will automatically connect to your phone, and now we need to do, we are given the same of firmware versions anywhere. Simply just check for update and you will get the latest version right here. Now this is the latest version of the firmware. I have already installed it. I will not be showing you how to install it, but simply I'm gonna show you how to download it and decrypt it so it can be useful for you. I will also link a video of how to install Freya's Samsung firmware using ODIN tool, which is the one that everyone should be using. Okay, now let's wait for it to download. Or maybe I should skip this step. Now the downloading is starting. As you can see here, this will take some time, depends on the internet speed. This is the maximum speed that you can get. Other websites are very slow. Now as you can see, I just disconnected my phone and the download has not stopped yet. Instead, it is working as it should be. So we just need it to scan for update, nothing else. Simply we need to check update using the phone. If you do not want to use your phone, simply go to your phone's box, check the model number, CSC code, and also the IMEI number. Those three will be required to download the Samsung firmware. There is no way you can download without the IMEI numbers. Okay, now as you can see, I have skipped the downloading, so I do not want to waste anyone's time. Now let's wait for it to finish the downloading and then we will see how it decrypts it on its own, and then you can use it however you want. Okay, now it is now verifying the CSC code, and now it has started decrypting the firmware files. Let's wait for it to decrypt. Okay, now the Samsung firmware is successfully installed and you cannot use Freya anymore. But if you want to download other firmwares for other devices, simply just close this application and follow the steps again, but using a different device now. And also you cannot download it without the IMEI. That is very useful. Now as you can see, I have this firmware right here, but it is in zip file. You can also use the simple zip file, or if you wanna use it in extraction, simply just extract it using any software, be that be WinRAR or the 7-zip. I will recommend 7-zip because it is completely free, but it is your choice. Okay, now the Samsung firmware file is successfully extracted and is ready to use. If you want to know how to use it, I will provide the video link of ODIN tool where you can see how to flash this Samsung firmware on devices. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Take care.